The West Africa Examination 2024 objective question number 3 says the first term of an arithmetic progression AP is 2 and the last term is 29. If the common difference is 3, how many terms are in the AP? Now this is question number 3 and we are asked to find this question in just some few seconds. How do we go about doing this? Let's get started. Now remember that the sum of the nth term of an arithmetic progression, whenever you are given any question like this, the first thing you look at is what am I given, what am I expected to look for, and what is the formula for solving this kind of question. Now the answer to the first question is what am I given? I'm given the first term, which is A, and they say the first term is 2, and they say the last term of the arithmetic, which is the last term or the nth term, is equal to 29, right? And then we are told that the common difference is what? 3. What we don't know is the number of what? Number of them, and that is what we are looking for, the answer to the second question. Now the next third question is what is the formula that is used in solving this kind of question? We are given 2, we don't know what is in between 2, but we know the last term is what? 29. And the difference between what is here and what is here, they say is 3. Difference between what is here and what is here is 3. Difference between what is here and what is here is 3. Difference between what is here and what is here is 3. So they are asked to tell us the number of them that is between 2 and what? And 29. Now remember, the length term or the nth term of an arithmetic progression or the last term is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by what? By d. Now we have the last term, we have the first term, we don't know the nth term, then we have the common difference. Now let's insert these parameters into that equation. We'll have 29, which is the last term, equal to the first term 2 plus number of them we don't know, minus 1 multiplied by the common difference, which is 3. If we simplify that, we'll have our 29 to be equal to 2 plus 3 times n will give you 3n minus 3. And then when we collect like terms, this is going to give us 29 equal to 2 minus 3 is going to give us a negative 1 plus 3n, right? So we'll have that negative 1 come over here to give us 29 plus 1, which is equal to 3n. So our 3n will be equal to 30, right? If you divide here by 3 and divide here by 3, 3 clears 3, and then the value of our n is equal to what? 10, and that is the solution to that question. Do we have it in the option? Yes, option C. So you see, if you are given this kind of question, you just need few seconds to get your solution, tick your answer, and go straight to the next question. This is question 2024 objective question number Wassce 2024 objective question number 3. And we are doing this to prepare candidates who will be sitting for mathematics for GCE NECO and GCE Wassce 2024. So if you have this video, do well to share it with your friends, share it with your colleagues who are also preparing for these same exams. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more simplified maths content. Thank you, and see you in our next watch our next solution, question number 3.